Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Students, welcome back to your online maths class. Students, in previous videos we have completed page number 36. Have you completed all work in your maths book? Very good. So students, in this video we will start our new page, our new lesson, our new topic. So students, take your maths book and open page number 37. So students, this is your page number 37 and this is your new topic, before, after and between. Before means पहले, after means बाद में and between means बीच में. Means in this topic we will learn number, what comes before the given number and what comes after the given number, okay, and which number comes between the given numbers, okay. So here we have some questions. So let's start students. Our first question is, write what comes before and after. Write what comes before and after. So in this question we have to write that number that comes before the given number and that comes after the given number, okay. So let's start students. So first one is 347. So students, tell me which number comes before 347. Very good, 346. Then write here 346, okay. And now tell me which number comes after 347. Yes, 348. 348, okay. Understood all of you? 346, 347, 348. Next one, 652. Then tell me student, which number comes before 652? 651. Yes, very good. In previous videos you have to learn counting 1 to 1000 now. So do this question with the help of the countings. So now tell me which number comes after 652? 653. Very good. 53. Next one, 735. So 734 comes before 735 and which number comes after 735? Yes, 736. Next one, 230. So which number comes before 230? Yes, 229. And which number comes after 230? 231. Okay. Next one, 109. So which number comes before 109? 108. And which numbers come after 109? 110. Okay. Next one, here we have number 499. So which number come before 499? 498. And which numbers come after 499? 500. Understood all of you? Next one, 500. Then which number comes before 500? So 499. And which numbers come after 500? 501. Next one, 855. Then students, tell me which number comes before 855? 854. And which numbers come after 855? 856. Understood all of you students? How will you do this question? So in this question you have to write number, what comes before the given number and what comes after the given number. Okay, so this line is your homework. Do this line at your home very carefully and honestly. Okay, now come to your next question. Write the number between. So like as previous question, in this question we have to write number what comes between the given number. This comes between the given number. So let's start, students. Here we have two numbers, 150 and 152. Then tell me which number comes between 150 and 152. Yes, 151. 151. Okay, next one, 300. Here we have numbers 369 and 371. Now, yes, 370 comes between 369 and 371. Next one, 983 and 985. So which number comes between 983 and 985? Yes, 984. Next one, 742 and 744. So which number comes between 742 and 744? Yes, very good, 743. Okay, next one. Here we have 598 and 600. So here answer is 599. Here we have two numbers, 225 and 227. Then which number comes between 225 and 227? Then 226. Okay, next one, 375 and 377. Then which number comes between 375 and 377? So answer is 376. H. Next one is here we have two numbers, 852 and 854. Then which number comes between 852 and 854? So 853. Next one is 980 and 982. Then which number comes between 980 and 982? 981. Okay. Next one, 449 and 451. Then which number comes between 449 and 451? Then 450. Next one, 701 and 703. Then which number comes between 701 and 703? Then 702. Next one, 398 and 400. Then which number comes between 398 and 400? So 399. Understood all of you? So students, understood all of you? How will you do this question? So in this question you have to write number what comes between the given numbers. Okay, and this is your homework, students. So do this line yourself at your home. Okay, now come on your next question. This is your question third, fill in. So students, here we have some blanks. So in this question we have to fill these blanks with correct answer. In this question we have to fill these blanks with correct answer. Okay, so let's start. The number before 456 is 455. Means the number before 456 is 455 and the number after it is and इसके after 457. Okay, next one. The two numbers after 199 are means two numbers after 199 मतलब दो नंबर जो 199 के बाद आते हैं 200 and 201. Okay, next one. The two numbers after 543. Two numbers after 543, then 544 and 545. Okay, next one. The two numbers between 787 and 790. So the two numbers between 787 and 790 means two numbers that जो 700 means two numbers जो 787 and 790 के बीच में आते हैं. So first number is 788 and second number is 789. Okay, next one. The two numbers between 698 and 701 are means फिर again two numbers जो 698 and 701 के बीच में आते हैं. So first number is 699 and next number is 700. So understood all of you students? How will you do this question? Very good. So students, complete this work in your maths book very carefully and honestly. Okay, understood all of you? So complete this work in your maths book very carefully and honestly, and we will check our homework in next video. Okay, so complete your homework and work also. Okay, bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.